Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Wednesday, the 18th of November. All right, looking at yesterday's markets, we had a little bit of data release from the US. We saw the core retail sales number come in at 0.2% under the forecast of 0.6, and the retail sales numbers themselves at 0.3, which was also lower than the forecasted 0.5. Consequently, US dollar did lose a bit of strength against most of the majors at this release, particularly against the Japanese yen, with the US yen dropping around about 35 odd pips for the session. We also had the RBA minutes released, which basically showed that our central bank is ready to provide more stimulus to the economy, although their preference to doing that is via bond purchases and not via lowering interest rates any further. Consequently, Aussie dollar did come off a bit yesterday, particularly against the US dollar. At the release of those minutes. That was pretty much all that happened yesterday, so let us jump over to our chart of the day. The chart that I'm looking at this morning it's the Swiss yen on a daily time scale. Now, currently at the moment, there's not much on the offering, but I did manage to find this one. Really nice converging triangle. We can see that that top level has been supported, has acted resistive on 3 occasions where the market has shot down off those levels. And also on the bottom, this line is locked in as we have bounced off that line a couple of times already. So naturally, what I want to do with this, I'm going to try and see if I can get the possibility to trade back up towards the top. So as the market approaches this bottom line in the region that I've marked out, I'm going to look for price action reversal, and if I do get it, that will be my indicator and my signal to become a buyer and try and trade back up to the other side. Of course, also when you do trade converging triangles, the breakout trade is also a possibility. So I don't do any breakout trading these days, but for those of you that do, look out for big breaking candles like that, because that will be the signal to basically go down, or if it happens on the other side, a big candle as such, then that's your signal for the breakout in the other direction. Okay, generally these types of markets, they start to condense, get narrower and narrower and narrower, and eventually they do go in one way or the other. At the moment, there's still a little bit of width in this region here, so I'm more interested in trying to trade back up to the other side. All right, so add this one to your hot list as it develops. If we do get a setup, I will definitely make sure that I call it out. Incidentally, yesterday's chart of the day didn't play out. It has not set up, so we move along from that one. But today, our chart of the day is the Swiss yen on a daily time scale. All right, what's on the agenda for the session, which is about to kick off in terms of news and data? We have only one release that happens after midnight at 12:30 in the morning from Canada, and it's the CPI numbers. That pretty much wraps up the session this morning, guys. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. You can follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow for the daily call. Bye for now.